So we got a no start. That's the issue here, and aside from finding the oil all over the floor of it, and then there's a nice coolant leak on this hose on the other side. I just realized that they blocked off the fuse panel with the regulator and also the diagnostic port because they didn't put this in properly. I mean, literally all they had to do is bring this over like another, like another foot to like right here. But no, so we'll just cover it right over. Diagnostic connectors in behind there too. But anyway, so we're here for a crank no start, which sounds like this. See, to me, that's an absolute loose connection somewhere. Nice work. Well, let me take some of these panels off. I'll get back to you. Alright, just found this here. These faults. I don't know if you can read them with the sun. It's basically alluding to throttle position sensor faults. Alright, that's what it's saying. So you're like, alright, well, let's head over here. See what we got. Go over to the throttle position sensor. Fucking zoom out. Oh, look at this. Like, dude, like you just literally can't make this stuff up. You just can't make this shit up, dude. It's fucking literally enough wire to reach on here. Not a fucking inch more. Unbelievable. Unfucking believable. Let's see what that gets us. I'm gonna go and clear these faults off here now. Alright, we got it cleared.